Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you're serious about gaming or just love high-performance machines, this one's going to impress you. Today, we're checking out the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop, built to deliver smooth performance, fast gameplay, and all the power you need for work and play. The HP Victus 15 keeps things sleek and modern with its bold silver finish and sharp edges that give off that premium gamer vibe that it's designed with both style and comfort in mind. A durable chassis, wide hinge for stability, and a full-size backlit keyboard that's perfect for late-night gaming or productivity sessions. It feels solid, looks professional, and fits right in whether you're gaming at home or working on the go. Front and center, you've got a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate. That means buttery smooth motion, reduced blur, and ultra-clear visuals. Whether you're battling it out in an FPS or watching a high-speed action movie, the anti-glare panel keeps your view sharp even in bright lighting, making it great for both indoor and outdoor use. Under the hood, this laptop packs the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, with 6 cores and 12 threads running up to 4.55 GHz. That's serious multitasking power, perfect for gaming, editing, or heavy creative workloads. That it's paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, which means lightning-fast responsiveness and smooth performance, even when running multiple programs at once. Now let's talk about what gamers really care about: graphics. The Victus 15 comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 GPU with 4 GB of DDR6 RAM. That it's built on the powerful Ampere architecture, which means you're getting ray tracing, AI-powered performance boosts, and high frame rates across modern titles. Games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Cyberpunk 2077 run beautifully, with crisp visuals and minimal lag. And for content creators, it's also great for video rendering, 3D modeling, and streaming. That you're getting a massive 1 TB PCIe M.2 SSD, offering not just storage but blazing fast load times. Boot up your system in seconds, launch games instantly, and transfer large files without waiting around. Pair that with DDR5 memory, and you've got a laptop that can handle any workload with ease. HP designed the Victus 15 with smart thermal management to keep things cool under pressure, even during intense gaming marathons. The dual-fan cooling system maintains consistent temperatures, ensuring performance stays steady. That means no throttling, no overheating, just pure power, sustained over long sessions. This laptop also has all the connectivity you need. That you've got 2 super-speed USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C, HDMI 2.1, an RJ45 Ethernet port, a headphone/mic combo jack, and full Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth support. Whether you're connecting to a gaming monitor, external storage, or accessories, you're fully covered. While it's built for gaming, the Victus 15 is also an excellent all-around performer. From schoolwork to streaming to creative projects, it's a multitasking beast. The crisp display and powerful speakers make it great for media, and the backlit keyboard makes working in any lighting condition effortless. Even with all that power, battery life holds up surprisingly well thanks to the efficient AMD architecture. You can game, stream, or work for hours, and when it's time to recharge, HP's fast charging gets you back up quickly. It comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home, giving you a clean, optimized interface and full compatibility with your favorite software and games. The HP Victus 15 gaming laptop is perfect for gamers, content creators, students, or professionals who need desktop-level power in a portable form. That it's fast, responsive, and packed with premium specs that make it one of the best mid-range gaming laptops on the market. If you want a laptop that delivers smooth gameplay, fast multitasking, and modern design, all without breaking the bank, the HP Victus 15 is a top contender. It's a true all-rounder that handles work, play, and everything in between. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know what gaming laptop you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.